Travel strollers in 2026 are all about making family trips easier by combining lightweight design, compact folding, and everyday comfort in one package. The best models are typically small enough to fit in car trunks or even overhead bins on flights, while still offering smooth wheels, decent recline for naps, and quick one-hand folding for busy travel days. Starting at number 1. Joolz Ultra Lightweight Travel Stroller. The Joolz Ultra Lightweight Travel Stroller is designed for convenience and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for parents on the go. This stroller features a compact fold, ensuring that it is easy to store and transport, particularly when traveling by airplane. Safety is a priority with its 5-point harness system, providing secure seating for your child. Additionally, the stroller is equipped with a UPF 50+ canopy, offering excellent sun protection during outdoor excursions. With its lightweight design and portability, the Joolz is perfect for city living and travel adventures, all while showcasing a stylish Dune beige color. Number 2. MAMAZING Ultra Air Lightweight Baby Travel Stroller. The MAMAZING Ultra Air Lightweight Baby Travel Stroller is designed for convenience and ease of use, featuring a durable carbon fiber frame that ensures both strength and lightness, weighing in at just 11.6 pounds. This stroller is compact and airplane-friendly, making it an ideal choice for parents on the go. With a one-handed fold mechanism, it allows for quick and effortless storage and transport. Perfectly suited for toddlers, the MAMAZING stroller combines functionality with style, making traveling with your little one a breeze. Number 3. Thule Urban Glide 3 Double. The Thule Urban Glide 3 Double Child All-Terrain Stroller is designed for active parents who enjoy jogging while bringing their little ones along. This lightweight stroller features air-filled tires and a suspension system, ensuring a smooth ride over various terrains. Additionally, it is equipped with an integrated handbrake for enhanced safety and control. Ideal for families on the go, this stroller combines functionality with comfort, making it a perfect choice for outdoor adventures. Number 4. UPP Ababy Cruise V3 Stroller. The UPP Ababy Cruise V3 stroller is designed for use from birth and is compatible with car seats, making it a versatile choice for parents. This full-size stroller features a reversible seat, allowing you to position your child either facing you or facing the world. It comes equipped with an infant insert for added comfort, as well as bug and rain shields to protect your little one from the elements. The stroller is available in a stylish Grayson color scheme, which includes a charcoal melange fabric, a carbon frame, and saddle leather accents, combining functionality with a modern aesthetic. Number 5. UPP Ababy Cruise V3 Callum, Stone Blue, Silver Frame, Sand Leather, Stroller. The UPP Ababy Cruise V3 stroller is designed for use from birth and is compatible with car seats, making it a versatile choice for parents. This full-size stroller features a reversible seat, allowing you to easily switch the orientation to face you or the world. It includes an infant insert for added comfort for newborns, as well as bug and rain shields to protect your child from the elements. The stroller comes in a stylish Callum colorway, which features a stone blue fabric, a silver frame, and sand leather accents, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal. The Callum features a striking combination of stone blue and silver in its frame, beautifully complemented by a luxurious sand leather finish. This design not only showcases a modern aesthetic but also emphasizes elegance and sophistication, making it a standout choice for those seeking both style and comfort. That's it for today's video. All product links are in the description below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool reviews like this. Thanks for watching.